Looking for the perfect portable workbench to elevate your DIY projects and work tasks? You're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend warrior, a reliable portable workbench can make all the difference. These versatile tools not only provide stability and support, but also enhance your efficiency on the go. In this video, we'll explore the best portable workbenches available, highlighting features, uses, and benefits to help you find the ideal work companion for your needs. Let's dive in. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Keter Folding Work Table. Are you in need of a convenient and versatile workspace that you can set up anywhere? The Keter Folding Work Table offers the perfect solution. This innovative work table is ready for action in just 30 seconds with zero assembly required. Weighing only 26.95 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts, home improvement projects, or job sites. With a spacious work surface that can support up to 1,000 pounds, you can confidently tackle heavy-duty tasks. The 12-inch clamps are versatile, allowing you to install them both horizontally and vertically to keep your materials securely in place. Whether you're using it for miter saws, woodworking, or a variety of other tasks, this work table is designed to meet your needs. Durability is key, and you'll appreciate the robust construction of this table. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin, along with aluminum legs, it's built to withstand the elements without rusting, peeling, or denting. This means you can rely on it for consistent performance in any environment. For a workspace that combines ease of setup, portability, and durability, the Keter Folding Work Table is an excellent investment for your projects. Enjoy the freedom to work wherever you are, knowing that you have a dependable surface at your fingertips. At number 4, Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table. Are you looking for a versatile and practical solution for your workspace needs? The Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table is designed to enhance your projects with both convenience and durability. Made from robust steel and high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, this workbench is built to last, supporting an impressive weight capacity. It can hold up to 300 pounds as a portable workbench and an astonishing 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse, making it suitable for heavy materials like lumber or equipment. With its easy fold-and-go design, the Pegasus work table transitions effortlessly from a solid work surface to a compact unit you can carry under your arm. This means you can take it wherever your projects lead you, whether in your garage, workshop, or outdoors. The spacious surface area of 31 inches by 25 inches and the working height of 32 inches provide ample room for various tasks, be it woodworking, painting, or repairs. And if you ever find yourself needing more workspace, you can easily expand by connecting additional works tables like the Sidekick or clamping sawhorse, all designed to match in height and connectivity. Weighing just 30 pounds, the Pegasus offers both strength and portability, ensuring that your workbench remains a reliable companion for years to come. When you invest in the Worx Pegasus, you're choosing a tool that will adapt to your needs, helping you tackle projects of any size with ease. Number 3, we have the Pony Portable Folding Work Table. Are you seeking a versatile and efficient work solution? The Pony Portable Folding Work Table is designed to meet your diverse needs with its 2-in-1 functionality. Easily switch between a sawhorse and a workbench, allowing you to tackle various projects seamlessly. Whether you're working in your garage, on a lawn, or in a garden, this table adapts to your everyday tasks, enhancing your productivity. With an impressive load capacity, this work table supports up to 500 pounds when used as a table and a remarkable 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The robust aluminum leg frame offers exceptional durability and strength, ensuring stability for your projects. You won't have to worry about your equipment slipping or failing under heavy loads. The height-adjustable feature with 6 different settings ranging from 30-inch to 35-inch allows you to comfortably work at various levels. This adaptability ensures that you can handle larger projects effectively without straining yourself. Each set includes essential tools to enhance your work experience. 2 medium-duty and 2 light-duty EZ hold bar clamps, large and small bench dogs, and safety straps. These accessories provide you with the flexibility to secure your materials and streamline your workflow. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table is not just a tool. It's a reliable companion for any task, empowering you to achieve your best work effortlessly. At number 2, BLACK+DECKER Portable Work Bench. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Work Bench is the perfect solution for your various projects. Whether you're cutting, sawing, painting, or tackling tasks that require a reliable vise, sawhorse, or bench tool stand. With its multifunctional design, this workbench meets all your needs while providing exceptional stability and support. Constructed from heavy-gauge steel, it accommodates weights of up to 450 pounds, ensuring that you can work confidently on even the most demanding projects. The dual-height, adjustable legs allow you to easily fold them under the workbench, lowering its height for larger projects and enhancing your versatility. One of the standout features of this workbench is its adjustable rear jaws and 4 swivel pegs. These warp-resistant jaws offer a unique gripping range, making it easier to clamp irregularly shaped objects securely, ensuring precision in your work. Designed with portability in mind, this lightweight workbench folds open and closes in seconds, making it a breeze to store or transport. Weighing only 28 pounds, you can easily hang it up alongside your other tools or tuck it away when not in use. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench is a must-have for anyone who values convenience, stability, and versatility in their workspace. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this workbench is here to support your creativity and productivity. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Seville Classics UltraHD Workcenter. If you're looking for a workbench that combines durability with functionality, the Seville Classics UltraHD is a top choice. Designed with a built-in steel pegboard wall and a heavy-duty frame, this workbench is engineered to withstand the demands of any workshop. You'll appreciate the overhead LED light, which ensures your workspace is well illuminated, making it easier to see your projects clearly. One of the standout features is the integrated power strip, complete with 2 USB ports, allowing you to power your tools and charge your devices simultaneously. A must-have for any DIY enthusiast. The pegboard is equipped with 23 hooks, providing easy access to your most used tools and ensuring that everything is neatly organized. In addition to the pegboard, the workbench includes 2 spacious drawers and an upper shelf for extra storage, enabling you to keep all your supplies within reach. The 1.5-inch benchtop offers adequate overhang for clamping and tool mounting while boasting a remarkable weight capacity of 500 pounds. Although the Seville Classics UltraHD comes with a higher price tag, its robust construction and thoughtful features make it the best garage workbench for most users. Investing in a quality workbench not only enhances your workflow, but also elevates your overall workspace efficiency. Consider adding this sturdy and versatile bench to your garage for a more organized and productive environment. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which portable workbench you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.